Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LPT. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that LPT has broken out a very huge falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, and first of all, I'm going to show you the weekly time frame chart. Then this was the breakout that I was showing you in my previous videos. And after the breakout, you can see that we had a very nice rally from this low to here. It was almost or more than 725% pump, but the price could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $25 and goes to $27. That was previously breaking at the resistance zone here and resistance on here. And again, it worked as a very strong resistance on, and now the price line recently formed this down channel. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently we have broken out the resistance of this down channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for LPT that I shared a few days ago on 26th of August 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis, and first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for LPT that I shared a few days ago on 26th of August 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal, AB equal to CD move that LPT formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And before that, we caught almost 400% very massive pump. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that LPT formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone, and this was almost a more than 400% very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now that would take you to the live chart of LPT, and this is the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that for the past several days since after 17th of May 2024, the price line was moving inside this channel. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, and finally we broke out the resistance of this channel but could not break out this long-term resistance of $16.50. We got rejected, and now we are about to test this uptrend line support. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then here you can see that this $16.50 has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and for a few weeks it had been breaking as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance for the past few weeks. And here we have this uptrend line support, a very long-term uptrend line support that is coming from the month of June 2023. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, and now recently we had another bounce here, and now the price is again about to retest this uptrend line support. If we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel, that technical target is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $27. And by the way, from $25 to $27, we have a quite long-term resistance that had been previously breaking at a resistance on here, and before that, for several weeks, it had been breaking at the resistance on here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. On this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term technical target for this breakout is here at the top of this wedge. That can be somewhere between $77 to $80. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.